Hey guys, welcome back to one of my other crazy adventures. Today we're here in the Pennsylvania section, down the Lehigh area. We're gonna check out this cool spot called Millennium's Arch. It's a cool little spot over here in the middle of the woods with a lot of cool artwork and stuff, a lot of sculptures and stuff that people did here. It's actually a university around us, and this artwork around here, the university actually put this thing together. It's a little bit creepy, but we're gonna go check it out. I seen a lot of cool pictures of this place here, and it definitely looked very cool, and I want to come check it out, and I want to show you guys also what it looks like. And let's go over here and let's go check that out. We just crossing this little bridge here, and yeah, it's very cool so far. Just getting started here. It's a nice little bridge behind me. We just got done crossing. We parked on a road just down there. Oh, almost slipped right there. It's going up an uphill, and I almost slipped on the mud. But we're going up here, and there's a little trail that continues on back over here, and we're gonna go over here, and I'm trying to find this little cool artwork back over here in the middle of these woods somewhere. So there's a little trail over here that Coco's already taken, and it's just getting us started over here. Walking up to this arch now. Saw this creepy stuff up here, and let's check it out. Let's get a little closer and let's check out this little detail on this. So it's cool checking out this arch. There's a lot more art that we got to check out around here, but this thing was actually handmade from all the scraps that they found around here, thrown around like different pieces. It's like a computer piece here, and just like little pieces from inside of computers and stuff, and just a whole bunch of different trash and stuff that they found around this whole area around here. They just made it into some cool art, and there's a lot of cool stuff all around here. And just up here, there's a nice little cool chair that I'm about to check out before we check out the rest of that stuff all around there. So let's go up here and let's check out this cool king chair. got done checking out that cool chair. I'm just going over here, walking up to this tree here, and I'm just checking out this tree now. I thought it was like logs and stuff, but it's actually made with concrete. It's like a concrete tree. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Made with like a whole bunch of like stones. So we're walking over here. They got like this little chilling area over here. I can go over here, take a nice little break, and enjoy this nice little view around me. We're just chilling here, relaxing. It's kind of cold, but it's a nice little view here, and it's definitely nice and peaceful around here. We're just gonna get up now, you know, finish just looking around. There's a couple more stuff around that we can check out. So let's go over here. Actually had like this little statue, kind of looks like a person coming out the ground. So let's go over here and take a look at this. So guys, we're gonna start making our way out of here. It's freezing cold, my hands are frozen. We're gonna go check out this cool little overlook that's not too far from over here. But I definitely had a lot of fun here. It was a little creepy, this place, but I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. I had a good time. I hope y'all guys had a good time also. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go subscribe, turn on that little notification bell, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next adventure. So if you guys want to support the adventures, go check out the website also, ray254adventures.com. Go get your drip, your hoodie, your t-shirt, and come support the adventures and join the family. We're gonna start making our way back where we came from, wrap this video up, and start walking back to the car. It's only a quarter mile. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So peace guys, and I'll see you guys next time.